Namaste. In today's session, we are going to learn the lesson number 1 in class 9 NCERT syllabus. The name of the lesson is Bharati Vasanta Geetihi. This is a song written by Acharya Janaki Vallabha Shastri Mahodaya. Acharya Janaki Vallabha Shastri was born in 1916 on 5th February in the district of Gaya of Bihar. He learnt Sanskrit from Kashi. He then moved permanently to Muzaffarpur in Uttar Pradesh, where he worked as a professor in Government Sanskrit College. Along with Sanskrit, he was a professor of Hindi as well in the Ram Dayalu Singh College. He has written many well-known stories, novels, plays, biographies, essays, ghazals, and songs, both in Sanskrit and Hindi. Among his many famous works, Kakali is one, which is a collection of songs written by him. And this poem, Bharati Vasanta Geetihi, is one of the poems in this collection, Kakali. The poem Bharati Vasanta Geetihi is a prayer to Bhagavati Saraswati. This is a song that was written during the freedom struggle in India. So we find that every verse in the poem conveys the need for freedom as well. Now, let us look into this poetry. Because this is a song, I have given a tune to this poem. You may use this and learn this easily. Here is the poem. Now you'll listen to the song as well.
निनादय नवीनामये वाणिवीणा मृदुङ्गाय गीतिं ललितनीतिलीना निनादय नवीनामये वाणिवीणा मृदुङ्गाय गीतिं ललितनीतिलीना मधुरमञ्जरी पिञ्जरी भूतमाला वसन्ते लसन्तिह सरसारसाला कलापाललितकोकिला काकलीना निनादय नवीनामये वाणिवीणा वहति मन्दमन्दं सनीरे समीरे कलिन्दात्मजाया सवानिरतीरे नतां पङ्क्तिमालोक्य मधुमाधवीनां निनादय नवीनामये वाणिवीणा ललितपल्लवे पादपे पुष्पपुञ्जे मलयमारुतोच्चुम्बिते मञ्जुकुञ्जे स्वनन्तीन्ततिं प्रेक्ष्य मलिनामलीना निनादय नवीनामये वाणिवीणा लतानां नितान्तं सुमं शान्तिशीलं चलेदुच्छलेत्कान्तसलिलं सलीलं तवाकर्ण्यवीणामदीनां नदीनां निनादय नवीनामये वाणिवीणा निनादय नवीनामये वाणिवीणा मृदुङ्गाय गीतिं ललितनीतिलीना मृदुङ्गाय गीतिं ललितनीतिलीना मृदुङ्गाय गीतिं ललितनीतिलीना.
Now that you have listened to the song, let us get into the poetry. First, the title, Bharati Vasanta Geeti. This title is made of 3 words, Bharati,
Vasanta and Gitihi. The word Bharati means Saraswati. The word Vasanta is the name of one of the 6 Ritu or seasons we have in our country. Vasanta Ritu, equivalent English can be spring season. Gitihi means Geetam, song. So the word Bharati Vasanta Gitihi means Saraswatyaha Vasantaritoho Geetam, the song of Bhagavati, Saraswati and the spring season. Bharatyaha Vasantasya Geetam. The words Vasantasya and Geetam together makes Vasanta Geetihi. So here the words put together in samasa. So here the samasa is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaha. Again, Bharatyaha and Vasanta Geetihi together, it becomes Bharati Vasanta Geetihi. Again, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaha. Now we'll look into each stanza separately. We will break it into words, understand the word meanings and the grammar portions in it, and then we'll get into the bhavartha of each of the shlokas. Now, Bharati Vasanta Geetehe Prathama Shlokaha, the first shloka of Bharati Vasanta Geeti. Ninadaya Navinamaye Vani Veenam Mridum Gaya Geetim Lalita Niti Lina. This is the Padachedaha, breaking off the shloka into words. To understand each of the words, we'll look into the grammar portions there. Ninadaya, Ni Upasarga Purvaka, Nad Dhatu, Nich Pratyayaha. Nich is Preranarthe, to make someone do. Ni Upasarga, Nad Dhatu. It means to make the sound. Lod Lakara, ordering. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana. Ordering or requesting is Lod Lakara. Navinam. Navina iti Akaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam here. Aye is a Sambodhana Padam. Vani. Vani Ekaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. This word here is Sambodhana Prathama. Veenam. Veena iti Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Mridum. Here the word is Mridu. It is Visheshanam. Used here in Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Gaya. It is from the Dhatu Gai, which means to sing. Kartari Lot Lakaraha. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana Rupam. Geetam, Geetihi. The word is Geetim. Geeti is Ikaranta, Strilinga Shabda, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam used here. Lalita Niti Leenam. The word put together, Samasta Padam. It is Akaranta Strilinga word used in Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Lalita Nitihi. Lalita Nitihi. This is Karmadharaya Samasaha. Lalita Nityam Leena. Saptami Vibhakti. Lalita Nityam. In the Lalita Niti. Leena. Lalita Niti Leena. This is Saptami Tatpurusha Samasaha. Now we look into the meanings. Ninadaya means Nirantaram Vadaya. Always play the music. Navinam, what kind of music? Navinam, Nutanam, new. Hey Saraswati, O Saraswati Devi, play the new music continuously. Veena, what music? Veena Vadaha, the sound of Veena. Saraswatyaha Vadyayantramasti Veena. So the request is to play her Vadyayantram Veena. Mridum. How komalam. The sound is soft, is pleasing. Gaya means to sing. Here it is again a request. The request is to Bhagavati Saraswati to play her veena and to sing the song. What kind of song? Geetim means Geetam, the song. What kind? Sundara Niti Yuktam. Niti means ethics or behavior, good behavior. So Sundara Niti Yuktam Geetim Gaya. This is the request. Now we'll look into the Gaya of the shloka, the right prose order. Aye Vani Navinam Veenam Ninadaya Lalita Niti Leenam Mridum Geetim Gaya. Kavihi Saraswati Devim Prarthayati Yat He Saraswati Tvam Nutanam Veenam Vadaya Apicha Sundara Nitibhihi Yuktam Madhuram Geetam Gaya iti. So here in this shloka, the poet requests Saraswati Devi, Ye Vani, Navinam Veenam Ninadaya, play the new Veena, Lalita Niti Leenam Mridum Geetim Gaya. Niti means good behavior, or it also means the ethics or the good rules that human beings should follow in life. So the poet requests the goddess Saraswati to play such a song which is pleasant and which has good meaning in it. Now we'll look into the next shloka. Madhura Manjari Pinjari Bhutamalaha Vasante Lasantiha Sarasa Rasalaha Kalapaha Lalita Kokila Kakalinam. The Padachedaha Madhura Manjari Pinjari Bhutamalaha Samasta Padam Akaranta Strilinga Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachana Rupam Madhuracha Asau Manjari Madhura Manjari. This is Karmadharaya Samasaha. Madhura Manjarya Pinjari Bhuta. Madhura Manjari Pinjari Bhuta. Yata Purusha Samasa here. Vasante. Vasanta Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam here. Lasanti. Lasadhatu. Kartari Lat Lakaraha. Prathama Purusha. Iha is an avyayam. Sarasaha. Sarasa, the word, is Akaranta Pullinga, Prathama Vibhakti, Bahuvachana Rupam here. Rasena Saha Vidyante Ye Te. This is Samastapam Padam, a compound word or samasa. It is Bahuvrihi Samasa. This denotes the Amra Vrikshaha. Sarasaha means that which has the rasa in it, the juice in it. So that word denotes the fruit, the Amra Phalani. Now, Rasalaha, this word is Rasala Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachana Rupam. Kalapaha, Kalapa Shabda, Akaranta Pullinga, Vibhakti Bahuvachana Rupam. Lalita Kokila Kakalina, Ikaranta Strilinga, Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. This is also a Samastam Padam. Lalita cha asau kokila. Lalita kokila, it is Karmadharaya Samasaha. Lalita kokila nam kak. मधुर आम्रपुष्पैः पीतवर्णीभूताः पङ्क्तयः is the meaning for Madhura Pinjari, Manjari Pinjari Bhuta Malaha. Madhura means sweet. Amra Pushpa is the flower of mango tree. Pita Varni Bhutaha. It has made the place look yellow. Pita Varni Bhutaha. Panktayaha means rose. Vasante, in the spring season, Vasanta Ritau. Lasanti, Vilasanti, Shobhitaha Bhavanti, making it beautiful. Avyayam here, Iha means here, Atra. Sarasaha means Rasapurnaha, with the essence. Rasalaha means Amravrikshaha, mango trees. Kalapaha means collection, Samuhaha. Lalita Kokila Kakalinam means Kokilayaha Sundara Dhvanihi, the beautiful sound of cuckoo. Now we look into the Anvaya and Bhavartha. Vahati Mandamandam Sanire Samire Kalindatmajaya Savanira Natam Pankti Malokya Madhumadhavinam. The Padachedaha Vahati Mandamandam Sanire Samire Kalindatmajayaha Savanira Natam Panktim Alokya Madhumadhavinam. Vahati Vahadhatu Kartare Lat Vartamanakale Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Mandamandam Avyayam, which means slow. Sanire, Sanira iti akaranta pullinga shabdaha saptami vibhakti atra ekavachana rupam. Jalapurne nirena saha yaha vidyate saha saniraha. Bahuvrihi samasaha atra tasmin iti saptamyarthe. Samire, Samira iti akaranta pullinga shabdaha Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Kalindatmajayaha. Kalindatmaja. Akaranta Strilinga Shabdaha Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Kalindasya Atmaja iti Kalindatmaja. Kalinda is the mountain from where Yamuna Nadi rises. Shashti Tatpurusha Samasahatra. Kalindatmanaha Jayate Yasa, the one who is born from Kalindatmaja. So, from the Atma of Kalinda, from the mountain named Kalinda, the one who takes birth. That is Yamuna. Savanira Tire. Savanira Tira. Tira is banks. Nirena saha vidyate yat stat savanira iti shabdaha. Samasaha bahuvrihi samasaha. Savaniram cha tattiram. Savanira tiram. The banks which has water in it. Savanira tiram. This is karmadharaya samasa tasmin iti saptamyarthe. Natam. Nata iti akaranta strilinga shabdaha dvitiya vibhakti ekavachana rupam. Panktim. Pankti iti ikaranta strilinga shabdaha dvitiya vibhakti ekavachana rupam here. Alokya. Lok dhatu. A upasarga. Lok dhatu. Lyap pratyaya. Ang iti upasarga purvaka. Lokanam is to see. Lyap is having seen. So completed action. Madhumadhavinam. Madhumadhavi iti ikaranta strilinga shabdaha shashti vibhakti bahuvachana rupam. Madhuhu cha asau madhavi. मधुमाधवी कर्मधारय समासः तस्मिन् इति सप्तमी विभक्ति अर्थः इदानीम् अर्थानः now we'll look into the meaning vahati means pravahati to flow mandamandam means slowly shanaihi savanira nire jalapurne the one which has water in it samire vayo the air or the breeze which has water in it. Kalindatmajayaha, I've already explained. Yamuna Nadyaha, from Yamuna Nadi. Not from, I'm sorry, it is Shashti. Of Yamuna Nadi. Savanira Tire. Vetralata Yukte Tire. Savanira Tire iti atra Vetralata, bamboo trees. This Tiram banks, which is covered with the bamboo trees, Vetralata. Nata means bent down. So with the water on it, the leaves are all bent down. Lokya. Oh, sorry, Panktim. Panktim means Shrenim or the row or the way it is arranged. In Madhumadhavinam means Madhumalati Latanam. Now we look into the Anvayaha. Kalindatmajayaha Savanira Tire Sanire Samire Mandamandam Vahati Sati Madhumadhavinam Natam Panktim Alokya Hevani Navinam Veenam Ninadaya. Over to Bhavartha. Yamuna Nadyaha Vetralatabhihi Achadite Tate Jalayuktasya Vayoho Mandamandam Pravahanat Madhuramalatyaha Latanam Avanatam Panktim Drishtva He Saraswati Devi Tvam Navinam Veenam Vadaya Ityevam Kavihi Gayati. Here in this shloka, the speciality is Yamuna Nadi is said as Kalindatmaja. Kalinda is the place from where Yamuna Nadi rises, and Yamuna Nadi, is said to be the daughter of Kalinda. Her Tiraha, the banks of Yamuna Nadi. What kind of banks? Vetra Latabhi Achadite Tate. The banks are covered with Vetra Lata, the bamboo leaves. Jalayuktasya Vayoho Mandamandam Pravahanat Nata. So the leaves or the creepers of Malati creepers, they are bent down due to the slow breeze and also the water in that breeze. Looking at such beautiful sight, O Saraswati, play new song is what Kavi says in this shloka. Lalita Pallave Padape Pushpapunje Malaya Maruto Chumbite Manjukunje Swanantintatim Prikshya Malina Malinam. Padachedaha Lalita Pallave Padape Pushpapunje Malaya Maruta Uchchumbite Manjukunje Swanantim Tatim Prekshya Malinam Alinam. Lalita Pallave. Lalita Pallava is a Samastapadam, compound word. Paranta Pullinga Shabdahatra. Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Lalitaha Pallavaha Yasya Saha. Lalita Pallavaha. बहुव्रीहि समासः पादपे पादप इति अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनरूपं पुष्पपुञ्जे पुष्पपुञ्ज इति अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनरूपं पुष्पाणां पुञ्जः पुष्पपुञ्जः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः तस्मिन् पुष्पपुञ्जे इति मलयमारुत उच्चुम्बिते मलयमारुतोच्चुम्बित इति अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग शब्द सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनरूपं नपुंसकलिङ्गम it is an adjective made out of the pratyaya and it is used in napumsakalingam here saptami vibhakti ekvachanarupam malayasya marutah malayamarutah षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः तेन उच्चुम्बितः यत् तत् मलयमारुतोच्चुम्बितम् इति बहुव्रीहि समासः. Here we have sandhi as well. Tasmin malayamaruta yoga uchchumbite. Here we have akara ukarayoho sandhi guna sandhi making it okara adesha. Manjukunja iti akaranta napumsakalinga shabda saptami vibhakti ekvachanarupam manjucha tat kunjam tat manjukunjam कर्मधारय समासः तस्मिन् इति सप्तम्यर्थे स्वनन्ती इति ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनरूप स्वन् योग शत्रु प्रत्यय स्त्री लिंगे तत्र ततिम् इति शब्दः तति इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनरूपे अत्र प्रेक्ष्य प्र उपसर्गपूर्वक ईक्ष धातु ल्यप् प्रत्ययः मलिना इति नपुंसकलिंग शब्दः नकारान्त पुल्लिंग शब्दः षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचन रूपम. Then we have अलीनाम इति शब्दः अली इकारान्त पुल्लिंग शब्द षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचन रूपम. Now over to the meanings of each of these words. Lalita Pallave means Sundara Patra Yukte, the one which has beautiful leaves. Laghu Vrikshe iti artha Padape, small tree, not a big one, small one. Here in this case, Padapaha means trees, but here in this case it's small trees. Pushpa Punje, Pushpanam Samohe. Malaya Chumbite means Chandana Vriksha. Malaya means Chandanam. Chandana Vrikshasya Sugandhita Vayuna Sprishte, the one which is touched or kissed by the Sugandha, the smell or the fragrance of Chandana Vriksha, the sandalwood tree. Manjukunje, Manorame Sthane, in a very attractive, beautiful place. Lata Bhihi Achadite, the one which is closed by the leaves, already explained there in the previous shloka. Swanantim, Dhvanim Kurvatim, the one which makes the sound. Tatim means Panktim or the row or the order. Prekshya means Drishtva, having seen. Lyap pratyaya is used here because there is upasarga, and Lyap pratyaya is used in the same meaning of Tva pratyaya, having completed an action. So here it is having seen. Malinanam means Krishnavarniyanam. Malinavarnaha means Krishnavarnaha. And here Malinanam Krishnavarniyanam. Alinam means Brahmaranam, bees. Now we'll look into the Anvaya and the Bhavartha of the shloka. Anvayaha ललितपल्लवे पादपे पुष्पपुञ्जे मलयमारुतोच्चुम्बिते मञ्जुकुञ्जे स्वनन्तीं मलिनान् अलीनां ततिं प्रेक्ष्य वाणी नवीनां वीणां निनादय। अर्थः अत्र कविः सरस्वतीं प्रार्थयति यत् हे सरस्वती त्वं सुन्दरैः पत्रैः युक्ते पादपे पुष्पाणां समूहे चन्दनवृक्षस्य सुगन्धितवायुना स्पृष्टे मनोरमे लतास्थाने ध्वनिं कुर्वती कृष्णवर्णीयानां भ्रमराणां पङ्क्तिं दृष्ट्वा नवीनां वीणां निनादय इति. So here we have great picturization. So here Lalita Pallave means the the beautiful creepers. Manorame Lata Sthane. Lalita Pallava means beautiful creepers wherever that is. So just picturize this. There are beautiful creatures in them. There are trees which have flowers in them as well. The Vatavaranam, the environment, the air there is mixed with the beautiful smell of Chandana Vriksha, Malaya Maruta. And in that beautiful place, there are Manju Kunje Sunantim Marina Marinam. So in that place, there are flowers or group of flowers, and there on those flowers or around those flowers, there are groups of bees which are black in color. Krishna Varniyanam Brahmaranam Pankti. Looking at those beautiful bees make new veena music and sing the song for us, says the Kavi. Now over to the next shloka. Now we'll look into the last stanza of this song. Latanam nitantam sumam shantishilam chaleduchaletkanta salilam salilam tavakarnya veenam adinam nadinam. Padachhedah Latanam. Lata shabdah akaranta strilinga shabdah षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचन रूपम. Nitantam. Nitanta iti akaranta नपुंसकलिंग शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति रूप एकवचन रूपमस्ति. Sumam. Suma iti akaranta नपुंसकलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन रूपम. Shantishilam. Shantishila iti akaranta नपुंसकलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन रूपम. Shantihi शीलं यस्य तत् शान्तिशीलम् इति बहुव्रीहि समासः. Chalet uchchalet. Both of these have the same dhatu chal, company. Chal here both have vidhiling lakara prathama purusha ekavachana rupam. Here we have just the dhatu. In this word we have ut upasarga, which means to rise above the level. So uchchalet means rise above the level of the water. So jump. Kanta salilam. Kanta salila akaranta napumsakalinga prathama vibhakti ekavachana rupam. Salilam dam chatat salilam iti karmadhare samasa. Salilam salila iti napumsakalinga prathama vibhakti ekavachana rupam. Leelaya saha vidyate yat tat salilam bahuvrihi samasa. Saha purva yukta bahuvrihi samasa. Tava युष्मद् शब्दः दकारान्त सर्वनाम शब्दः षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन रूपम् आकर्ण्य धातु ल्यप प्रत्यय having heard वीणां वीणा इति आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचन रूपम् दीनाम् अदीना इति आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचन रूपम् न दीना इति अदीना दिस इज नै तत्पुरुष समासः नदीनाम् इति शब्दः नदीकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचन रूपम्. Now we'll look into the meanings of each of these words. Latanam means of creepers, षष्ठी विभक्ति, so it means of creepers. Nitantam means atyantam. Sumam, pushpam, kusumam, sumam. Shantishilam, Shantihi means peace, so having the quality of peace. Chalet, Uchalet, Kampanam Kuryadas. Chalet, Uchalet means to jump up. Kanta Salilam, Manohara Jalam, the water that is very attractive, that attracts the minds. When somebody looks at the water, the mind gets attracted towards it. That is Kanta Salilam. Salilam means Kridayuktam, playful. Tava, here the word Tava indicates Saraswati, so Saraswatyaha of Saraswati. Akarnya, Shrutva, having heard. Adinam, Dina Rahitam. Veena word means the musical instrument that Saraswati Mata has in her hands. Nadinam, of the river. Now we'll look into the Anvaya and Bhavartha. Anvayaha. Tava adinam veenam karnya latanam nitantam shantishilam sumam chalet nadinam kanta salilam salilam uchchalet. Bhavarthaha. Anaya panktya kavihi saraswatim prarthayati yat bhavati etadrisham veenavadanam karotu yena bhavatyaha veenavadanena shrutva latanam atyantam shantiyuktam pushpam utphullitam bhavet tatha cha bhavatyaha veenavadanasya dhvanim shrutva nadinam jalam atyantam swacham uchchalet. Uchchalet ityukte urdhvam gachet iti. With this stanza, Kavi Saraswatim Prarthayati. Kavi requests Bhagavati Saraswati that you please play such tunes with your veena with which, hearing to that beautiful song, the creepers give out or make the flowers bloom with great peace, and listening to such veena vadanam, let the water in the river become clear and jump up. So with this, we have come to the end of the explanation of chapter 1. I hope you have all understood the shlokas and its meaning. So if you like, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, and share this video with all your friends and family members so that they also get benefited out of this. Namaste.